Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me because of the river, but I'm getting ready to go up to the gym. I don't know if you guys are looking, if you can see. But we got suckers starting to run. We got a fish right there. But hopefully I'm going to be down here soon or even tomorrow. Sometimes go sucker fishing. Catch some by the... something going up there. But... and there's also big sturgeon in here if you can see if they can come up and get caught on camera here. But this is what I've done today, just chilled out, came down the river. I'm going to be seeing a lot more. They're just starting to run. Wish I could get a sturgeon to show up on camera for you guys. Oh, there's a sturgeon. Just showing you guys the river. Hope you don't mind. If I bored you with this, I'm sorry. Just trying to show you some fish. Now watch, something's gonna go come out the butt. Look. Let's see. How could I do this? I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a sucker tail. Got something going up there. There's a pool of them there if I can get there. Oh, they just all scattered. Got a big one this time. I don't know if you can still see that in there, but there's still a few more in there. One right there. I didn't have I had something to put my phone on there and grab one for you guys. Let's see, give me a second. I want to get it so you guys can see it too. Let's see. Oh, sturgeon going up over there. So this is what I'm doing before I go to the gym, play a little basketball, shoot around. Don't want to drop my phone. Alright, Matt, get out of here for a minute. Let's see. I can get over there. I don't want to slip in there with my phone. That's the only problem. I'll tell you what. If there's another clip for this video, I got Matt down here for a little bit and we'll be catching some fish.
Yeah, but they're kind of busy. I don't, well, they wouldn't, they're trying to have fun, but at the same time, I wouldn't want them trying to watch the kids because they're trying to do stuff, so they wouldn't pay very much attention to something happens. How do I explain this? If you just follow, oh, I don't know how to explain. Nothing, watch out, it's trying to record. You know where there's that big log that stretches across, like, it used to stretch across, yeah, it used to stretch across to the island, but now it's not across the island anymore, it's just on the island. But yeah, that's where, across from that, like on land, you know. Not on the island, but across. Aspen, get out of the way. No, Michael's just standing in the water right now.
Grab another one. Give me a second. There's about 50 of them right there. They get hard. One hit you right in the ankle. Yep. Yeah. They slap you off. Keep pulling. Yeah.
Well, I don't want to just jump into you or anything. I just... well, I was just kind of mad. She didn't say a word to me.
Still, baby. Yeah. Awesome. No, it's a sucker.